Hi, it's Peter Donnelly from Coachwood Nursery at Somersby. We specialise in succulents, but we do grow a few other things as well. Fruit trees, vegetables, seedlings, we have an organic farm and an orchard. And this is an indoor plant that we grow. It's called Monstera deliciosa, which deliciosa means it has a delicious fruit. Now this is a very good indoor plant because it can take fairly low light. In its natural habitat, it grows up trees, on the trunks of trees, so you can imagine how dark and shaded it is, and it forms aerial roots. So when it goes up into the tree, the roots will come down and try and embed themselves into the ground. So you can see these roots coming out here. That's what they are, they're aerial roots. And when you grow it as an indoor plant, these aerial roots quite often will just hang down over the pot like this. And if you want to, you can just sort of poke them back in and let them curl around. Or if it doesn't matter if you cut them off. So you can sort of cut them off like this, or even right back to the trunk. It doesn't matter, because they'll have roots going down into the pot. So when they're first starting, it's not a bad idea when they're young just to sort of curl them back into there so they don't become too ugly. That's if you think they're ugly. Sometimes I think they look quite natural. So Monstera deliciosa, a great indoor plant. They're all the rage at the moment. There are some different forms. There are some that have a variegated leaf or a silvery white part of the leaf, which is very interesting. You can put a totem pole in there if you like, a piece of timber or bark, and they'll actually grow up that, and the aerial roots will form on it. So Monstera deliciosa, a great indoor plant, or you can grow them outside under a tree. We might show you some photographs of them under the tree, and they form an incredibly delicious fruit that you can eat.